pair of underwear for Layton. No big deal.
Tim, what are we doing?
Treasure awaits. Look, treasure awaits. Oh, we're literally up so high that I'm running out of breath right now, which is fine. It's altitude shit. She has no idea why we're here. She thinks we're here to look at a cave. We're not here to look at a cave. She's gonna freak her shit out here.
Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
What?
You know, I had a feeling. I'm cool. That's what heck of a swing, honey. It's the facing down.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Okay, that's the ground. Holy fuck, holy fuck. Don't touch me! We're not best friends anymore. I'm gonna throw up. My boobs are sweating really bad.
And we just got off.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck Moses, because he's like, do it!
So we got off the ride. She's got a beer now. We got the video, and I never buy the videos. We got the video, and I cannot wait for you guys to see this video. It is so awesome. I think she kind of blacked out on the way down. This thing does 100 miles an hour. I didn't know that. Look it up if you're on the interwebs if you want to see this thing. It's called Terror-Dactyl.
It's stupid.
Cave of the Winds, Colorado Springs. Look up videos of this thing. It's insane.